Solving complex problems has not been modern society's strong suit. So why do we have this so wrong? Somewhere along the way, maybe around the time of Sir Isaac Newton and the Industrial Revolution, probably a lot earlier, but certainly then, we got confused about how life works. We convinced ourselves that the world was causal, linear, and predictable like a machine. So machines respond really well to top-down preconceived strategies, right? They rely on outside influences, who are designers and engineers, to give them purpose. And when you're working with machines, it makes sense to design the system to maximize productivity and efficiency. Thankfully, that's not how we are, and that's not how life is. Natural systems, living systems, are complex, emergent, and unpredictable, and every system we humans participate in is a living system. What I've learned over the past 20 years as a student of systems thinking is that it is the nature of living systems to self-organize around a set of values and beliefs. So if we want to participate in supporting the transition from an economic system that generates inequality to one that generates opportunity for all, then we have to examine the beliefs we hold about profit, growth, efficiency, ownership, and returns, values around which our dominant systems are organized today. To do that, I'm going to offer you a picture. It's a map, and this map is a way of understanding the moment in time that we're in as we confront massive shifts in the way our systems are organized in today's complex world.